What is going on today, folks? January 26, 2026. I got a little carried away and started getting my environment set up before I hit record, so my bad. Just to kind of bring you up to speed, I was talking to nobody earlier, but yeah, getting my environment set up. uh, I was thinking, I have an idea of how I want to approach this. I was thinking of using a conic gradient for these two rectangles. And I'm still kind of working through how I want to implement this rather odd looking W. I could either have like a solid, like a P tag in the middle with a border right and left of this 10 or transparent and an outline of these like 30 pixel borders. And so that was my initial like thought process. So I think I'm just going to start with that approach. And we'll see what happens. I'm still kind of trying to figure out if I could get away with some sort of linear gradient, but I don't know. I don't know how that's going to work considering this kind of block at the bottom. That could technically be another conic gradient. You know what? Maybe that's the way. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Where are we? So I'm getting this 50. We'll do 40, and the top and bottom. Well, 45. 50? Oh, 50 top, bottom, and maybe 40 on right and left. Okay, so that's a good spot for our. Let's do it. I think that's a great foundation for our gradient. So just gonna take this off and then remove this, and we can get started. So I'll have a conic gradient. We're gonna have this be transparent 75%. And then we'll have this lavender color for 25%. And now we just need to scale it. How are we going to scale it? Let's do or position it rather. I think it's in its correct positioning on the top left. I just need to do some, I don't know, 50px. We'll go 50px. So these are little squares, a bit too short. And we might make this 50, maybe 55. Nope, 60. And this one will go 70. 120. Did that make it? Oh, perfect. Now I just need to get this spacing right. Wait, so 120. So how do I get it? I just wanted two of them, so we'll go repeat x, but this spacing is not what I want. I want it to be 120. How do I do this? 120, I mean, it's not gonna 220, but now this makes it kind of like much wider. Okay, 320. If I go negative 50 px, maybe 100 px. Okay, so I just need to 420. Does that work? And now negative, I don't know, 200 to 150. So just a tad less. So if I go for, what is that? So let's see, 400. And then I push this over 20 pixels, negative maybe 130, 120, no, 160, 150. Fantastic. Okay, so we got those two little wings, edges. And now I want to do we'll go linear gradient of, let's go here. Basically the three vertical stripes. I'm going to try to do that. Um, we have the first one, it goes from, what is this, 40 to 120 transparent, right? 120 px. And then 30, I think. We have this lavender, 150 px, but we got to do 0 here first. Oh, and 90 degrees. With a comma. That seems way off, doesn't it? Okay, 120 to 150. 120. Oh, it's because, yeah, I'm not, okay. Let's go 50. Whoa, 50. 70. 80. I think I got that. 80, fantastic. And then that's going to be 30. So we'll go 110. 0 to 110 px. And then we go transparent again. For 20 pixels, we'll go 0, 130 px. And then the blue again, 0, 160 px. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, what's happening here? Transparent, and then transparent the rest here. 0. Okay, so yeah, this isn't 30. This is probably double that. We'll go 110 to 170. Nope, that was this one. So transparent to blue. Yep, and then transparent to blue. Oh, this one. We'll do for this one 190, I believe it is. So transparent 0 to what's 20 plus 190? 210 px, and then now we have the final blue 0 to 240 px, followed by the final transparent 0. So okay, and now we just have this at the bottom. I could do a conic gradient here as well. Let's do that. Conic gradient. Same story. And then we can change its size here. And I think I have so 0, 0, and then 400. Let's just try this, but I just don't want to. I'm not moving it per se, so I'm just gonna now do no repeat, and then I'll just shift it down. Let's see what happens. So 150 px. Oh, that's 150 px, and then actually a little bit more, 170. Is it the same? Ooh, lucky. And I think I could get away with probably getting a little bit shorter. So okay, how wide is this? So we got 120 to 280. It seems like 120 to 280. So 160, I believe. So I could technically do once, 160, and I'll just push this over 50 px. I don't know, 70, 90. Mm, I mean, I just trying to, instead of creating another 3 character pixel value here, I'll just make this wider. So we'll go 190. And just to see the color, we can just kind of do a red. So I just want to now stitch this, like just push this over. It seems like that's going to be the case anyway. So let's go 250. Whoa, 250. So I could technically now just replace this and call it a day. Let's see what happens. Fantastic. Okay. So I'll just get rid of all of these little, and okay, let's see what we can, boom. I think I could get away with getting rid of all this. And yeah, submit 319 characters. Oh, I can do some here. 310. 310. I'll take it. Yeah, I guess it just came out. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.